I'll show you how to satin stitch the little eyes. You can use a button for sure. If this is just going to go on a wall hanging or something you don't mind, children aren't going to play with it. Just use a button. Now I've added some eyelashes. You can customize this little guy any way you want to do it. This is again 6 strands of embroidery floss. And the satin stitch is pretty easy. First draw in your design. Then you're just going to lay the stitches side by side just so that they lay right next to each other. Now I'll show you. 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 Watch. It's just going to come and lay right down. Now you can see where I could have made this stitch a little bit wider here so it'd be more rounded. I can go back and add a stitch in there if I want. Make it nice and round. And I pre-did the eyelashes so when I put the satin stitch over them, so you won't see the end where they started. They'll be part of the eye. Now I'll show you. Easy. We're just going to go up and then start decreasing the stitches to make it look round.